I gotta stay to myself. I've been rolling the cookie and stacking my money. I'm doing this shit for my hair. Why the fuck do these niggas keep hating on me? Cause they know I ain't taking no L. Bitch, I be gassed up. I might hop in a foreign and take a little bit of the shell.
But this bitch keeps saying my name, and I feel me with you hear what I'm saying. What's up, you guys? So today I'm going to be doing an install. When I first got this wig, I did pluck it and I did bleach the knots, of course, because we want to make sure it looks as natural as possible. So I'm going to be going in with my Ghost Bond, and I'm just going to be putting this on in a light layer because this is the first layer. I always do two because I want to make sure that my wig stays on. Also, you're going to be wanting to use the end of something to smooth this out because it is really sticky and it will make a mess if you get it everywhere. So you really want to make sure that you're pressing down the front of the lace cap because this will ensure that it is melted. So this is the second layer. I'm just using about the same amount as I did for the first. You also want to make sure the glue is almost clear when you stick it on because it can seep through the frontal. So I'm just going to be taking a clean end of a comb and pressing this down. I also like to go through with my hot comb, and this kind of just makes sure that the lace is melted and kind of like locks it in. So now I'm going to be doing the same thing to the other side. I'm going to be doing one layer and then I'm going to be doing another. So I'm just gently pulling this up and setting it on there. I'm not pressing down too hard because I don't want the glue to seep through. So I'm just brushing through, making sure that it's not tangled, and then I'm going to be taking one of my head wraps and just making sure that it stays on. So now I'm going to be taking my straightener, you guys. You guys know I love to use my straightener for my curls. So yeah, I'm just going to be doing that in this part, and I'm just going to let you guys go ahead and watch. It's pretty self-explanatory.
Wait. It's been 24 hours since you left, can't feel my face. Rolling up so excessive, something they use the pain. Don't got no time for stressing when there's money to make. And lately I've been catching, I need something to chase. Money been a motive, she ride it like a roller coaster. I've been so devoted, you steady putting that work and you about to get promoted.
Tropical tree. Now you working hard for the belly tree. We've been overseas for a long time. Don't know what I'm doing, but it's just fine. I don't know what I'm doing, but it feels right. I'm not saying I don't trust, I'm just saying I don't lust. Yeah, boy, be patient with me. Please stop playing with me. Stop playing.
It's don't gotta end the same way. See them lies been on your damn face. Baby, take your time, let's go a slow pace. Baby, don't go back to all your old ways. See you ballin' on the weekend. Don't push me, I'm close to the deep end. Your love is something that I've been feeling. Then I pro up and stack it up to the ceiling. Hope you feel the same way.
Yeah, I feel the same way. Your skinny is the only thing I taste. When I'm in your arms, I feel your embrace. Do you dirty this and let's finish in last place. I run the 40 to the dash, but can you catch me? Louis V and Ocean, and that's just my back talk. Fucking with a Bob Wig, you know money talk. I just made another check off of a video. I know you're trying to get back with me, but you're moving slow. I can't do the same.
This don't gotta end the same way. See them lies been on your damn face. Baby, take your time, let's go a slow pace. Baby, don't go back to all your old ways. See you ballin' on the weekend. Don't push me, I'm close to the deep end. Your love is something that I've been feeling. Then I pro up and stack it up to the ceiling. Hope you feel the same way. Wait.
I gotta stay to myself. I've been rolling the cookie and stacking my money. I'm doing this shit for my hair. Why the fuck do these niggas keep hating on me? Cause they know I ain't taking no L. Bitch, I be gassed up. I might hop in a foreign and take a little bit of the shell.
But this bitch keeps saying my name, and I feel me with you hear what I'm saying. All they got cause I'm next up. Tell that bitch to catch up. I don't ever rest up. So tell them keep their bets up. Tell them not to test us. My team, they young and reckless. Keep a hood nigga by my side. If you talk shit, yeah, he'll slide. That's my little babe. I'll do whatever I. So now I'm just gonna be doing my other side off camera. And yeah, this is the end of the hair, you guys. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys go grab the hair below. I will have the links listed. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, make sure you like and subscribe, turn my post notifications on, and I'll be back with more videos.